I got one of these DeWALT brushless 16-inch electric chainsaws. It's the DCC S670. I need a case to hold all the stuff in there. And so I got this Husky case, which is readily available at several places like Tractor Supply. For they're like less than $60, and it fits, but the bar is a little bit forward right there, so I can just jam it and live with it like that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to heat that up with a heat gun, and then just jam it in there and see if it'll the plastic will move a little, which I think it will. Trick is no fires. So we're heating it up. Can't see the screen here, so hopefully I'm pointing correctly. Let me see, it's feeling pliable already. So I'm going to go ahead and jam this thing in and see if I can make a new indentation. Yeah, it's ready. Okay, so I just pushed it in and we'll let that cool. Putting a little pressure on it and see what happens. I think it's going to fit great. What's really good about this is it's got a little Velcro strap that'll hold it down, and it's snug. It's going to fit right in, and I can throw the chaps and all my oil and all this stuff in there. Maybe even some of my files might even clip into this cheap plastic, but that's not an issue. I didn't buy it expecting any of those to work, unless I happen to have Husky type files. So we'll see here. It's still a little warm, but it did make room. Didn't mess up the back. I'll post the model number of this box